Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by the channel. My name is Talisha and I also go by CreativiTeeByT, and in today's video I will be sharing some new spring fabrics that were released by Morex Fabrics, and I will also be giving away 3 yards of 60-inch wide fabric from their company. So if you don't know, I have had the winter sewing blues. If you want to hear all about it, you can watch my previous video and I will link it in the description box below. And although I have the desire to sew, it has been extremely hard because of the weather. So I've been doing little things here and there to get me motivated. And one of the things that I have been doing is looking at spring fabrics and thinking of all of the outfits and garments that I can sew up for spring. And it just so happened that Morex Fabrics sent me a package in the mail with several different cuts of their new spring fabric line, and I am going to share those with you today. But if you're not familiar with Morex Fabrics, I will tell you a little bit about them. Morex Fabrics is a fabric company out of Los Angeles, California that provides companies with high quality custom fabric prints that are perfect for making garments. You can make curtains, crafting, anything in general. Okay, so some of the fabric types that they sell are knits, shirting, suiting, lining, and a whole bunch more. They have introduced me to so many types of new fabric qualities that I never knew existed, because I am mostly familiar with what's available at Joann Fabrics because I like to shop for my fabric in person, but Joann's only has a limited, amount of fabric. So this company has really expanded my knowledge of different fabrics. And as far as their customer service and shipping is extremely impressive and beats any other company that I have shopped for online for fabric. And I have personally made purchases from them on my own, so it wasn't like a package that they sent to me, and I received the same excellent fast shipping and customer service as I do when they send it to me. So I am a testimony of that. So outside of the great quality of the fabrics, one of the most impressive benefits of shopping at Morex Fabrics is their pricing. So back when I first started working with them, their prices averaged from like $4 plus a yard to like $7 plus a yard for like apparel, fabrics, plus you would have to pay the shipping depending on what you purchase and if your order qualified for the free shipping. Now the price has gone up a couple of dollars because of inflation, so about $2 a yard. But with the whole collection of spring and summer, even though the price has gone up, no fabric is more than $8.36 per yard on all of these fabrics for, like I said, the spring and summer, and they all qualify for free shipping no matter how small your order is. So for me, that is gold, because I personally do not like to pay shipping, even though I know that it's necessary and I have to pay for it to get to me, but I don't like to pay it. So that, kind of gives me the feel of me being able to go to the store and shopping in person and not having to pay all those extra fees, So you do your shopping online, you pick out your fabric, you pay for it, and they ship it to you and you're done. And circling back to the pricing, there are a lot of the spring fabrics that are $6 and some cents a yard, and then like I said, you get that free shipping, and definitely some nice fabrics. So with that being said, I will go ahead and show you the fabrics that they sent to me, and I will show you how you can see their spring collection online. And it's actually spring/summer, so they have combined the two together. So I'll be showing you the spring summer collection on their website, and then after that we will talk about the giveaway. Okay, so the first fabric that they sent me is a rayon linen in this color neutral, and I absolutely love this, and it definitely looks springy. This fabric is 60 inches wide, and there are 3 yards of this in this cut. The next cut is another rayon linen in the color denim. I absolutely love this one as well, and it is giving me the baby blue spring feels. The drapes on both of these rayon linens are perfection, and the quality is awesome. The next cut is a rayon crinkle in the color rose. This is very pretty and lightweight, and it also has a crinkle texture. I love the soft colored florals in the fabric, and it would make a beautiful spring dress. This cut is a rayon poplin in the color lime. This cut is giving all of the spring feels in the lime green that contrasts with the other shade of green, pink, yellow, and white. I also love the diamond shape, and I can see a two-piece set out of this fabric as well as a spring or summer dress. Each cut of fabric has 3 yards and is 60 inches wide. Okay, so now I will quickly show you how you can view the other spring and summer fabrics on their website so that you can see what they have to offer. All right, everyone, so I am at the Morex Fabrics website. So you just go to morexfabric.com, and right here you immediately see where it says welcome to Morex Fabrics, and when you click back, it goes on to say how you can enjoy a premium experience with no monthly fees, free shipping on every order, premium quality fabrics guaranteed, unbeatable prices in the market, top-notch customer service. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Shop now and experience excellence with every purchase. And I will say that all of these check marks have been checked off for me. So when you're at this initial page, it kind of goes on about Morex Fabrics, but over here off to the left is where you're going to find your spring summer collections. So here is the spring summer collection here, and then you go down here and you will find them all. You can sort by A to Z, pricing, featured items, newest items, you know, etc. So I usually right here put 100 products per page so that I can see as many as possible. And so I scroll down here, they're by A to Z. I just left it there. And you've got your jacquards here, you've got your chiffon, poly bubble. I actually made a two-piece out of this fabric right here in my summer vacation sewing series, and it was absolutely wonderful. I had never experienced sewing with the poly bubble. I didn't even know it existed, and so I decided to give it a try. And initially on the onset, I didn't really like the fabric because I just, you know, I don't think I would have purchased it but I'm so glad that it was sent to me and that I have it because it made a beautiful outfit and I wore it often. So anyway, here's more. Here's rayon crinkles, more rayon crinkles, and you know, sorry, I'm scrolling through so fast, but I will put the link in the description box below. And then here's some lemon rayon crinkle. And yeah, so just a great pool of, you know, quality fabrics to choose from. And there's a second page here when you're having 100 per page. Just some beautiful florals here. Love that right there. Those are rayon crinkles. A rayon poly dot jacquard right here. I think I have this fabric maybe in a lighter color that I'm going to be making something with. And I have this one. This is really nice, and this is a rayon linen. And I don't see the rayon linen that I have in this collection that was sent to me, so maybe it's placed somewhere else, but That's why you definitely want to make sure that you tour this website, because you can get swatch requests. You can look at all the different fabric types that are here. As you can see, like every type you can imagine. Apparel and fashion fabrics are, put into their own category. Evening wear, special occasion, costume, dance wear, etc. You get the point. I will put the link in the description box below. But as far as today's summer spring collection, this is the collection of what I'm going to show you. All right, so as you can see, they have some really nice and pretty prints, and although I said earlier that these prints are custom prints, they're custom by them, and I believe that you can customize your own prints. But what they have on the website is 100% available to you, and they are great quality, affordable, and I will put up some photos of garments that I have made out of their fabric qualities in the past. All right, so now for the giveaway. I am going to be giving away one of these cuts, and in order to enter this giveaway, you will need to do the following. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Number 2, let me know in the comments which fabric you like best. And number 3, what do you see yourself making out of the fabrics? And I will announce the winner in 1 week. All right, so that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it and it gave you some spring sewing inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, please take a pause for the cause and click the like button and hit the subscribe button and the gray notification bell so that you can be notified of future videos. Again, don't forget to enter the giveaway. If you don't want to enter the giveaway, just go ahead and let me know in the comments what you can see yourself making. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all of my new and returning subscribers for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!